Good morning, students. As we were studying the relation and function of chapter 2 of class 11th, in the continuation, let's study what is the meaning of domain, range, and codomain. Okay, so let's consider two sets A and set B. Now let the elements of set is 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, let one maps with A. Now all the elements in the set A is called as domain. All the elements of set A is called as domain. And now the elements which maps with 1 is mapping with B, 2 is mapping with C, 3 is mapping with D, and 4 is mapping with E. So all the elements which maps with domain are called as range. So here the domain is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is domain, and the range is B, C, D, and E. Okay. Now if we write a relation from A to B will be 1 comma B, 2 comma C, 3 comma D, and 4 comma E. Now all the first elements 1, 2, 3, 4 they represents the domain, and all the second elements B, C, D, E they represents the range. Now what is codomain? The set of all the elements of set B is called as codomain. So codomain is equal to A, B, C, and D. Okay, students. Now let's write the definition of domain and codomain. Definition. The set of all first elements of the ordered pairs of the ordered pairs in a relation R from a set A to a set B is called the domain of the relation R. Okay, now range, this is domain, and now range. What is range? Range is defined as the set of all second elements, the set of all second elements in a relation R from a set A to a set B is called the range, of the relation R. And codomain, what is codomain? The whole set B is called the codomain of the relation R of the relation R. Now note that range is a subset of codomain. Okay. Now one thing is very important: the total number of relations that can be defined from a set A to a set B is the number of possible subsets of A cross B. So if number of elements in set A is equal to P and number of elements in set B is equal to Q, then number of elements in A cross B will be PQ, and the total number of relations is 2 to the power PQ. Okay, this is very important thing which you have to remember.